If it feels like it's hard to make ends meet right now, well, that's because it is. If the price of one thing goes up, that's the price going up. But if the price of everything is going up, that's actually the value of your money going down, and down is where it is going. Since 1966, when Australia adopted the dollar, what back then was a $100 basket of goods now costs over $1,600 according to the Reserve Bank of Australia. Now, to put that in a different kind of perspective, that $100, if it was in the bank not earning interest and it just simply carried through to today, would have about $6.20 worth of purchasing power left in it. The rest, well, that's disappeared to inflation. But how can that be? Inflation is only 2, 3, maybe at most 6%. It can't be that bad, really. Well, the deceptive thing about inflation is it doesn't just add up, it compounds. This year's inflation is being calculated on top of all the inflation that's already happened. So let's say that this year we have 3% inflation. Well, that's actually going to add up to an increase in $48 on that same basket of goods. That basket of goods that back in 1966 cost just $100. Well, just this year alone, we're going to add another $48 to the cost of that basket because the inflation is compounding. The only way to fix the cost of living crisis is to fix the inflation crisis. And yes, 2-3% inflation adds up to a crisis.